unang pasalamatan natin ang Solaire Resort North. And of course, our ating Nina, Acer, Avignon Clinic, and Dina, Macdo.
Masabi ko lang, this company has turned into something remarkable na hindi talaga namin inaasahan. And syempre, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng tao na tumulong, naniwala, talagang nagpursige para mapatayo itong kumpanyang ito.
The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? Deep in my heart, touching the stars, holding on oh so tightly. Making my plans, taking a chance, leaving it all behind me. Never the same, riding my way, turning my dreams up louder. Chasing that spark, out of the dark, running to the final hour. There's only one place to go. The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
Very thankful kami kasi nag-stay kayo from the very beginning, from the get-go until now.
Ngayon, maraming salamat kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi natin ma-achieve lahat ng na-achieve natin ngayon.
So I hope na next year, sana po ay mahanda pa natin yung mga puso natin sa mga haharapin pa natin mga bagay in the future.
Again, congratulations everyone and good luck to 1Z to the next year.
The best is yet to come.